Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba Renikton lingdot tangkar MLA ke Mawkyrwat uberiru menteri katanat PHE henekasngi ke reporteri kuleber harangkat ke jingdan lang ke kongsi kangor deputy commissioner Southwest Sales District kleyo ban play pat ba ke Hdfc bank Mawkyrwat nakamata ban ai ke jishakri ke pat ba kani ke dong kathan uba Renikton ba ajingran ha ke sngi ulong ba ke jingyo ban play ke Hdfc bank Mawkyrwat kan sakhampen suksisho ikipat ba kathan haka bay de bagi kam kan shaw ban bay pisa namar kumbalong menta ki ba ki majing shibo namar ke jing dona ki bank bat ki machine ATM haka ni kadang kathan bat ke jingwan ka ni ka bank kan sai rap shibo ni ki ba ka Mawkyrwat.
Just want to recollect what I met Mr. Gopal for the first time when, as a banker, he is trying to get me and to be friendly. The first meeting when I met him, I said nothing doing. To ensure that we continue our friendship, you have to open a bank at Mawkyrwat. That is the first meeting. When he come and approach me, and it so happened that that time, the papers in the newspapers written that long queue, people are standing on the queue to go to State Bank of India. And people are crying that some people, they have to go back home because they cannot wait for such a long time, hours and hours that they have to wait to get their services in the bank. So I have told him that yes, I can ensure to continue to be friends with you, provided you have to manage to get a bank at Mawkyrwat. And he has agreed on the first meeting itself. He has agreed that yes. So I'm very happy, I'm proud that this is the branch, this is the bank for which I have met from the beginning, and I have requested, and it has come today to start the bank, the branch here in Mawkyrwat. So thank you so much, Gopalji. Thank you so much, all the staff from Hdfc. And I wish to see that the bank here in Mawkyrwat, Hdfc, will grow. So I wish all the best to the Hdfc branch here at Mawkyrwat. I just want to tell you the fact, and maybe many of us we know, that our department, PHE, is banking with Hdfc, and many schemes now will be implementing scheme at Mawkyrwat, for which I believe that if you know and if the bank know how to deal with the people, with the contractors here in Mawkyrwat, most probably they will love to open an account here, because around 120 or 130 crores, or it may go up to 150 crores during this coming financial year, we will implement scheme under JGM and others scheme also from Department PHE alone. And I believe that many contractors, they will have to open account to many banks, and most probably they will feel convenient to open with Hdfc, since Hdfc is banking with PHE for those contractors who will be working under PHE. And sometimes we forget that bank is not all about only business, but it is also about serving people. So this is very important, and that's why sometimes you see that branches in the rural areas, when they open, after some time they close down. Why? Because they see only about business. So yes, I do agree that bank is for business. I hope there will be a business here in Mawkyrwat, but I want to remind that let us keep in our mind that we are not only doing business, but we are also providing service to the people of the state, to the people of this area. I think when we have this in mind, it will give us energy, it will give the bank an energy to do better when we keep in our mind that we are providing service to the people of the state, to the people of this area. That I really wanted to remind you all, that while working here in this area, in this Mawkyrwat village, in the district of Southwest Hill, that the officers who will be working here, people will see that they are giving us a good service. So that is the expectation from the people of Mawkyrwat and from all of us.
And also I see the secretary of Mawkyrwat Darbar and the owner of the building, has hosted us today at the bank, and for all the people who are here today. It is actually a very nice day, a happy day for us that you are able to open this branch office, and we hope that with your coming to the district, you will improve the promote banking in the area, because as you know here, this will be just be the second private sector bank in the district, and we hope that you would also tend to these the local area, and not only confine yourself to the four walls of this building, but that you will also reach out to the community. You would be, you would have a friendly approach and see what is raise the demand, and not just attend to the people in standing, the customers in the queue. So we would encourage you to give loans. I don't know if that is in your scheme of things. Loans to the artisans, to the farmers, so that they all benefit from your presence here. So in fact, that is what I expect. That yes, it's a very welcome step that the branch to have the branch manager here, and with the 7 odd staff that you would be keeping. You will reach out also to the community, to the population, and see what their needs are, because as you know, most of the population here are residing in the rural areas, some of them artisans and some of them making a lot of handicrafts. I had just attended the district level industry handicraft here, and if you have the time, I would like you to also go tomorrow and see, because they would be having this exhibition for another 2 days. See how the skills of the people are, and they definitely would want loans, at an easy installment and all that. So that would be a great service. In fact, in the we had this PMEGP, so we were just reviewing the loan position. So we invariably find that there was no contribution from the private sector. There was only one applicant, and with that also that case was still pending or rejected, still on the process.
And reaching Mawkyrwat on time has been a very great occasion for us, and this is a precious moment where we have been able to open our first branch in the Southwest Khasils district. We welcome Ma'am C. Kharbungar, who is the Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasils district. This has been a very major moment for us for having you all there, and all distinguished guests, our ADM sirs, BDO sir, and all headmen and village elders. Thank you all for coming to this occasion and grace us, and we hope that we will give all your guidance, all your experience to make this branch successful, so that it can service the people of Mawkyrwat and in and around the Mawkyrwat. Not only that, entire district of Southwest Khasils with a quality of and best banking services, for which Hdfc Bank is well known as the best, not only in the banking sector, as they come all organization, all banks, this Hdfc Bank is the #1 brand in the country. So today we have established that with our customer service and customer focus, and we welcome all of you for this inauguration of our 21st branch in the state of Meghalaya, and bless the branch team with your blessings. Welcome all of you.